For today's video, we have to make mango float.
Alright. Okay. Alright.
Hello everyone! Welcome back again to my channel. This is Juliet from Arabni Kitchen. For today's video, I want to make mango float. So these are all my ingredients: biscuits, butter, Nestle cream, condensed milk, and mango. So guys, I'm using 2 mango, half can of condensed milk, the biscuits. I'm not using graham, I'm just using the biscuits, and also 2 butter, and then Nestle cream. So these biscuits, we have to make it powderized, guys, when I'm making the mango float. So now let's make powderize first the biscuits in a mortar pestle, then put only enough biscuits inside so you can make it powderize easily. So now let's start to make powder until become all powderize. So continue crushing until become very fine. Very fine. Ano bang English nun? Sorry. So continue crushing until become powder, fully powder. So let's transfer in a bowl, and then we have to make another batch to make it powder. So our biscuits will become enough to make a mango float. So now let's combine for our dressing ba tawag doon? Ayan, we have to first put the condensed milk, and then our Nestle cream, and also the 2 butter, and beat with the hand mixer to fully combine together. Mix it until becomes smooth. So now let's take the skin of the mango and then slice it. To slice it very thin so it will become enough to our mango float. The ingredients are already prepared, so let's arrange here in our molder. So first we have to put the powder biscuits for the first layer. Put all biscuits thin only, don't put too much. So otherwise, your sauce will not enough if you put too much biscuits from down. So I add little bit more, 2 tablespoons of Nestle cream to become more creamy. So continue beating until become combined together. Beat and beat. And now let's put in our biscuits. So put all fully in all the area of the biscuits. Don't allow to see the biscuits on top. So cover all with the sauce. And then put on top the sliced mango. So put also all the place. Cover with the mango. So all the place have mango. You can eat with mango. Ano daw? And then repeat again another layer. So add more mango. So I already add the mango. Then we have to repeat again another layer. Put biscuits and your sauce, and then again mango, and refrigerate. Put in refrigerator until 1 hour. After 1 hour, your mango float is ready to serve. And that's it, guys. And this is now my finished product. If you are new in my channel, please subscribe, click the bell button, and select the all for more videos. Bye bye everyone. God bless. See you on my next video.